Hi friends, today I'm sharing my second video about my Niagara trip 2018. It was a Saturday morning, 7th of July. I woke up around 9 am in the morning as night was little late. So meanwhile Sia and mom-in-law are still sleeping, and it's amazing morning when you wake up and after getting freshen up you get breakfast made by husband. So breakfast is this kadak chai and methi paratha. These are frozen methi parathas from Deeps. So my husband is making the parathas, and meanwhile I'm having my breakfast. And these are the frozen parathas of different types which we have taken: aloo paratha, mixed veg paratha, paneer paratha and methi paratha. And these we have taken from Indian store, and they are, I guess, from Deep. Now it is the breakfast time for Sia. I'm giving her whole milk with cereal, and after having this she will also have some paratha with her papa. So this is the outside view of the house. The first floor is for the rental purpose and the upper floor is for the own use of the owner. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं सिया? इंडिया नहीं, नागरा फॉल्स। अच्छा, फिर वहाँ पे आप क्या करोगे? अच्छा। Around 10:45 am we started from our house for watching the Niagara Falls. So after watching the Niagara Falls through the Maid of the Mist, we ordered something for Sia from the cafeteria, and then we took the tickets for the Cave of the Winds. In the Cave of the Winds activity, they take you very close to the American Falls with the help of the stairs, and they give these yellow covers to wear. They have done the slot system nowadays. Our slot was for 5:30, so we have a lot of time left. Meanwhile, we went to see the Fort Niagara, which we missed to see last time. Now we are going to see the Fort Niagara. The history of the fort spans more than 300 years, and the Fort Niagara was a barracks and training station for American soldiers throughout both the world wars. This is something I am telling you after reading from one of the boards from the Fort Niagara. So this is all the premises of the fort. This is a very old fort, and from the outside it looks like nothing is there in the buildings, but yes, when we went inside the buildings, a lot to explore, a lot historical documents, and these you can see these rest areas for the soldiers. And when we went upstairs, the whole fort is built in the wooden structure, and from inside it is with the help of the stones. So from this window, from the first floor, you can see this lake, beautiful Ontario lake, and you can see some skyline of Canada, maybe some city of Canada. You can see a little bit a skyline, maybe some downtown, some city of Canada. And the water of Lake Ontario is so beautiful. This is the uppermost floor, and by seeing this floor I figured out that maybe it was the get together area for the soldiers, because on the sides there is some sitting area, and in the center it is just like a hall. And this uppermost floor extend to some more floor with the help of these small stairs. So yeah, we have come to the most upper part with the help of the small stairs, and this was the surveillance area. Basically the view from the top, this is how it looks. You can visit how far any enemy or anyone is coming. So this was the view from the topmost floor. The top floor was also used for surveillance at that time to save the fort from enemy. So after watching the fort, we are now going back to the Niagara Falls State Park, because we have the Cave of the Winds activity still left, and to see the Terrapin Point Horseshoe Falls also. So here I am showing you the Terrapin Point, which gives you a very nice view of the falls, and this is a newly built structure. This was under construction in 2015 when I first visited here with my husband.
पापा का हाथ पकड़ो।
So after watching the Terrapin Point Horseshoe Falls, we have come for the Cave of the Winds activity. Around 8:30 we got free from there and headed back to the house we booked. For lunch we ordered some meal for Sia and some snacks for us in the cafeteria inside the Niagara premises. I missed to take that video. Now as Sia is hungry, so I'm giving her some milk and some cereal, and after that I'm going to make dal chawal, so she will also eat some dal chawal with us. So now Sia and mummy are watching TV. Meanwhile, me and my husband, we are preparing the dinners. We don't have any pressure cookers here. I'm using the pots and pans which the owner has provided for us, and I think it's also good. So dal is into this one, and the other one I have put rice, and it is around 9:49. So I'm preparing the tadka for the dal. So it took me around 40 minutes to prepare the whole meal. Dal chawal are here, and now we are all set for dinner. Sia is eating some dal chawal with me. So our dinner is all done. It's always so refreshing to feel that beautiful creations of nature, and Niagara Falls is so beautiful we can never express in words. Thanks a lot for appreciating my videos. The first part of the video I shared and everyone commented. Thanks a lot for your beautiful comments, and keep connected. I will be back soon. Bye bye.